Hello everybody, so let's work out a few more 251 harmonic resolution examples. So I'm going to do them in these four keys: D major, B flat major, D minor, G minor. So let's start with D major, okay? Again, start with the chords, okay? D major 7th, 8 7th, and 2 chord would be an E minor 7th, okay? Root. Put down 3 7. So the order doesn't really matter here. I'm gonna mix it up a little bit every time. Okay, so I would have a E, G, and then a D. So that's a third, and then 7th here. Okay, 7th becomes the third. So C sharp here. That's the third, right? And third becomes the 7th. So G. All right. So 7th becomes the third. So F sharp. We in major, so, and C sharp, the third would become a 7th, so C. Okay. Sharp, sorry, so D major 7. So we need a C sharp, so that's the 7th. Let's be precise. And flat 7, and the major third, major 7th. Okay. Finally, you can resolve the 7th here to a B, which is a 6, major 6, okay? So D major 6 at the end. Alright, so... Alright, cool. That's D major. Let's work a B flat major. So write down the chords first. Okay, B flat major 7th, F 7th, and then B, C, C minor 7th. And C, I need the, let's mix it up a little bit. Let's put third on top, so that would be B, E flat, flat 3, I need a flat 7 here then, so B flat. 7th becomes the third, major third. So A, it's the major third, okay. Third becomes the flat 7 here, flat 7 E flat. Flat 7 becomes the third, major third, so D. Third becomes the major 7th here, so that's A. Finally, resolve the 7th here into a 6, so that's a, what's that, G. Alright. Hopefully I'm correct here, so let's spot if there's any mistake, okay? I think I'm good. Yeah, okay. Let's work out D minor and G minor. So D minor first, okay? Just 2 more examples. D. Oops, not focusing. Okay, cool. D minor 7th, A 7th, and the E minor 7, flat 5. Root, root, root. Let's put 7th on top again. So you have flat 7 and flat 3, so G, and then flat 7 would be a D. Okay. 7th becomes the third. You need a major third here, so that's going to be a C sharp. Third becomes the 7th, so flat 7 here, so that's a G. Third becomes the minor 7th, so that's a C. Flat 7 becomes the flat 3 here, so F. Alright. Finally, resolve the flat 7 to major 6, so B. Alright, so D minor 6. Okay, one more example. Let's go to G minor. Okay, our last example, okay? So let's write down the chords: G minor 7th, D 7th, and A minor 7 flat 5. Put down a root, root, root. I'm going to put the third on top, so that's flat 3, flat 7, so that's going to be C. G. Third becomes the 7th. 7th of chord, flat 7, so that's C. flat 7 becomes the third of chord, so F sharp. Third becomes the flat 7 here, so that's F. Flat 7 becomes the third, flat 3 here, that's going to be B flat. Oops, no space left. And finally you have the flat 7 resolved down to E. So that's your major 6, so G minor 6, so G, E, and B flat. That would be your G minor 6 chord. Cool. Let's check for mistakes. Okay, I think I'm good here. Okay, cool. So hopefully, after doing a lot of these exercises, you're now familiar with the guide tone concepts and also the resolutions. Alright, then I'll see you in the next section.